Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining today. It's always a little weird presenting in this format because I know you're out there and yet I'm just sort of sitting here talking into the void, but I am going to do my best to take questions. I said they offered me the option of allowing questions in real time or at the end. And I said I'd be happy to try to answer questions in real time. If there end up being too many, I may have to save some for the end, but let's see how it goes. My name is Samantha Harris. I am a partner at Allen Harris PLLC, which is a firm that primarily focuses on campus discipline. And this is an area of the law that people often don't know exists until they need someone who does it. It's kind of a niche. And I got into it actually by working. I spent 15 years working at a nonprofit called FIRE. When I was there, it was the Foundation for Individual Rights in Education. Now it's the Foundation for Individual Rights and Expression because they have expanded their mission beyond campus. But when I was there, it was focused on students primarily and also faculty members, free speech and due process rights. And in my time there, I really became familiar with all of the different things that can go wrong in a campus disciplinary process. And the fact that without assistance, students often don't get a fair shake, and students are often left to defend themselves against very serious allegations against an institution that has all of the resources of a large institution. And it's often a bewildering process for students. And so I decided that I wanted to get into the business of actually serving as an advisor to students in these processes, because as we will discuss, in many, if not most circumstances, students in campus disciplinary proceedings are entitled to an advisor. The role of that advisor can vary, but regardless of the role, there is a lot that we as attorneys can do to help guide students through this process. And so that is a big part of my practice. And my goal today is to help everyone on this call learn how to handle one of these cases so that if it does come your way, whether it's a niece or nephew, or, if you are, one thing I hear from a lot of lawyers who practice in areas like tax and trusts and estates is that they are sort of the trusted family lawyer. And so when something like this happens, they'll get a call. And of course, one option is to refer the case out, but I want people to know